and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you this face of makeup in about 5 minutes. It might be just a little bit longer because I'm talking through it, but on a daily basis I do this in 5 minutes or less. I'm going to show you everything that I use. We would definitely love a subscribe and a like on this video. Hi you guys. So I am a mom of 4, so I'm consistently buying makeup and having it ruined. My kids just always ruin it for me. It's pretty awful. I have come up like the last couple of years with a really quick makeup routine, but also a very cheap makeup routine. I love it. I constantly have people ask me if I'm like a lot younger than I am, and I think that's definitely how I do my makeup, but I'm going to show you what I use, and then I'm going to show you how I apply it and how I do it basically in about 5 minutes. I do work outside the home, so it's really important that I'm not in front of the mirror for like 2 hours every day, okay? Because I do have to feed a baby before I go to work. I don't want taking my makeup off at the end of the night to take forever as well. Here's what I use. I start off, I washed my face last night after I got home from work. So before I start makeup today, I'm going to start with a facial cream. This is organic. I will post links to all of this stuff in the comments so that you can go get it as well. After I do my moisturizer, I go right into my eyebrows. So after 4 kids, my eyebrows are pretty sparse. They don't look like horrible right now, which I don't know how, but they are still like really small and splotchy, like especially back in here. I've lost most of my eyebrows at one point or another, and then I have another baby and it happens again. This is my favorite eyebrow pencil right now. It's my favorite one that I've ever used. It's from Wet n Wild actually, and it's called the Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil. So you can see that, and then it has this nice brush. I think most of them do nowadays. It's just with this pencil that I started using that. And it's just helped my eyebrows a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. There's that. And then I'm going to go into what I use for my foundation, which again is really cheap because I have kids and they ruin it if they drop it or they smudge it all over the wall, which is just so much fun to clean up. So I use e.l.f. My children took like the squirty top off, so I've been having to use it like this for a long time. My absolute bare minimum for makeup is eyebrows. Just because I have had my eyebrows just kind of disintegrate over the years, I definitely make sure that I have my eyebrows done, because without it I literally look sick. But if I do like I'm gonna do like a video, go to church, or I don't really have time to do everything for work, I will stick with just my eyebrows and mascara. So that takes me to my next thing of what mascara I use. And I have a lot, like literally for the last 10 years I've had so many questions about what mascara I use. Guys, I just use Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. I will post that below as well. Eyebrows are just really long. They're really curly too, so I have almost no upkeep. But I have tried a lot of other brands, and this is definitely my favorite. So my ultimate favorite brand of mascara is Better Than Sex Mascara, but that one's like 30 bucks per tube. And for a mom of 4 that has my daughter just absolutely take this and run it all down our wall, the $6 stuff is my jam. So until my kids are older, this is what I use. Just a little bit extra is this little e.l.f. thing of like highlighter and some blush. So I just use the blush side first, and I basically use this as a contour, and this is like if I have time, okay? Most days I do not do this. There is my full face of makeup. The only other thing I will do very occasionally, I think I've done this once in the last year, I will do some eyeliner. And I just like, I think it's Wet n Wild as well. So it's just like their liquid eyeliner, and it's just perfect for what I need. I'm gonna go back in here and I'm gonna clean up my eyelashes with a Q-tip. I'm gonna get the residual mascara off of there. Like you can see I messed up just a little bit, but without messing up my mascara, I can get it off of there and it's gonna look great. That is my 5-minute, maybe a little bit more makeup tutorial for you guys. Have a good day.